In the world, 6 billion people contact or use the Silicone products. All kinds of silicone products penetrate our lives in various aspects. And we produce hundreds of millions of silicone products each year. It is spread over 10 million families. We are the manufacturers of silicone products with full speed. The company, founded in 2003, is located in Shenzhen Tongsheng Industrial Zone, China. The company integrates the development, production, sales into a whole body, specializing in the production of daily life silicone products, consumer electronics products, industrial silicone products, which are exported to more than 50 countries. WeArc is also an internet company. The company has Alibaba Dream Center and Alibaba Shenzhen Training Center, but also Alibaba's Gold Supplier and Global Sources Gold Medal Supplier. Mr. Kidd, general manager of the company, also served as president of China's Shenzhen Internet Trade Business Association. At present, the company has a professional R&D team. There are 8 senior designers with more than 9 years working experience and 18 senior quality inspectors with more than 6 years working experience. They have 14 years of professional design and rich production experience, which can quickly provide customers with the best of the design. And they fast quote by 3 hours for customized users with quotation engineers, pay the same by 4 days, and shipping by 5 days. To the fastest speed to provide customers with the best service. Through 14 years of continuous development, at present, the company's business services Samsung, Huawei, Millet, Apple, and other well-known enterprises in depth and extensive cooperation provide processing services to 3PM, Incipio, OSM, and other enterprises.
Each design is a story. Each project has the story.
Our company attaches great importance to product quality. We have established strict quality standards on the procurement, development, manufacturing, sales, and customer service. Our company has successively introduced the Silicone automatic hydraulic press, rubber mixing machine, CNC cutting machine, CNC machining centers, EDM processing equipment, lathes, CNC milling machine, infrared tunnel oven, and other large and medium-sized advanced mechanical equipment, and precision testing instruments in production. It has a 100,000 level of dust-free and automatic spraying workshop. All processes are completed within the factory. In the design, the designer strives for perfection and constantly explores perfect and independent the product. Their development each product carefully. We've been focused on one thing at a time. Let quality become our core force to the world. We have been working to become the best in the same industry and contribute to leading the development of it, which also means we have to shoulder heavy responsibilities. However, management lies in not only business, but also responsibility. We are committed to become an innovative enterprise with the highest happiness index and build a platform for employees who want to start up business. Our mission is to let every man who desires for success realize his dream.